Hello, sixth graders. Welcome to another science lesson. Before we begin anew, we're going to just review quickly the answers from our questions that I asked on Tuesday about our new textbook cover. So I'm hoping you can just envision what our textbook cover looked like. I don't have a photo on here right this second, but it was, land right by the water over a cliff, basically. And the textbook is called Land, Water, and Human Interactions. So I said, our question number one was, what do you think we are going to learn about in this textbook? And with our last unit in mind, do you think this unit will have anything to do with climate and global warming? Why or why not? This question was kind of the challenge question, and I was hoping that everyone said yes, it does have a lot to do with climate and global warming because land and water and interactions all affect the fact that we have global warming, and this can change water temperatures that we learned, and it can change the structure of land that we will be learning. So I just wanted to do a quick shout out to a few of my friends, Riley, Brock, and Shane. They had wonderful answers for this assignment, and I promise more than just these three students had great answers to the questions. I just decided for today to pick these three students out, and I wanted to share a part of their answer with you all. So Riley mentioned in her answer, yes, human interactions have a lot to do with global warming. Absolutely. Great point, Riley. And Brock mentioned, yes, it has to do with our last unit because water is a part of global warming. Absolutely. Yes, it does. The warming of the earth warms the ocean temperatures. Absolutely. Human interactions from Riley's affects the makeup of land and water. Great. And Shane said yes as well, because human interactions have to do with global warming. Absolutely true. Very nice job, you three, and to everyone else that also scored a 10 out of 10 on this assignment. You guys did great, which is awesome. So I want to explain what we're going to be doing today. I am going to try to make this as easy as possible. The textbook has an activity for us that normally we would be doing, of course, in school as a group, but I have thought of a way to do it virtually through this Playposit. So just kind of listen closely, and we'll be able to do this assignment together. So this is our page we did yesterday. Now let's look at the activity that we're going to do. So it says, our guiding question is, what is the human impact of constructing buildings? Okay. So again, how is human impact affecting the land? Okay. Procedure. Each set of photographs on the next page, which I'll show in a second, shows places before and after the construction of buildings. Examine the photographs one location at a time. Observe changes before and after construction in the land, the water, and the plants and animals. Okay. So that's the part of science that we are going to, the part of the procedure that we are going to do virtually. So, like explained in the directions, this page shows, here I can zoom in. This page shows, this is the first set of photos, cliffs before and after. The second set of photos, hillside before, hillside after. See how different it is with the human interaction taking place. And then the third set of photos, the wetlands before and the wetlands after. Okay, so what I'm going to do is each one of these set of photos is going to be its own short answer question, and you will just answer the question that I post in the Playposit in just a moment. You'll see it, and I want you to answer it. These short answers are the bulk of today's lesson and also the bulk of the points that you receive for this lesson today. Okay, so take your time, think about how these are different, and answer the questions. All right, so we will get into our first question. I'll blow this up so you can see it as best as possible. I am sorry that it's a little blurry. Um, just do your best. You can see that this is a cliff similar to the one on our textbook. Here, there is nature, looks pretty natural, doesn't look like anyone has done anything to it, okay? The natural cliff. Then after, we can see humans created buildings, we can see bridges, okay? All right, now we will, if you're listening to this, you have done the first short answer, so let's go on to the second short answer. Again, just answer the question I have posted about this set of photos here, hillside before and hillside after. All right, great. And if you are listening to this, then you are on the last short answer. So let's do this next. Again, we have the wetlands before and the wetlands after. All right, great. So that is going to be something that I need to grade. So your PlayPosit will have a low grade when you finish this video. Just as a reminder, because I still get these questions, I have to go into PlayPosit and grade the short answer. So give me a few days and then you will have your official grade for this PlayPosit lesson. All right, that is our lesson for today, and I will talk to you guys soon.